If you own an Etsy store, you've listed multiple products but still have no sales, maybe your product's quality is not that bad. Maybe what you need to focus on is research and keyword optimization. And in this video, I will talk about exactly that. How to do your research before you start creating products on Etsy, and exactly how to optimize listings for SEO so they rank in search and they get more sales. And we'll be doing this with the help of EverBee. EverBee is a keyword research tool that is perfect for Etsy sellers that want to scale. And they have a special offer right now called Christmas in July. So if you want to grab it, the link is in the description below. So in this video, I will basically show you exactly how I use EverBee to research any type of product from my store before I start creating it and listing it. And I will share the exact keywords that pop up, the exact bestsellers that I'm analyzing with EverBee, and more. So let's get started. So you probably already have an Etsy store and you want to start creating the products, but you're unsure of what to choose, right? So what we will do right now is go to Etsy and pretend we're just a buyer trying to buy the exact products that you want to sell. We're logging into EverBee. Again, their Christmas in July offer is down below. They have a super special offer for you. And for example, I sell digital products in my Etsy store. So what you need to do, for example, to start figuring out which product you want to sell, first you need to know what you're capable of creating. So for example, if you want to create website templates, let's start researching what a client would say. For example, WordPress, a website. We have the monthly searches right here for authors. Let's say photography, WordPress, or influencer template, for example. And we have the actual template. We have over 1,000 items with ads. We're going to do bestsellers and we're going to hide the ads. So for example, this one, let's analyze it with EverBee. It has a lot of views, a lot of sales. Okay. So a lot of people are into these influencer things, Instagram templates for them. Okay, but I want to go bigger and say influencer website. Let's search by bestsellers. This is popular right now. Interesting. This one is really good. And it is being sold. It is 90 euros and it's making 631 euros. Let's see the store and analyze the entire store as well. So these templates, for example, are really good and they sell a lot of times. So you can take a look at these templates and see how beautiful they are and start creating a store of your own for this, that you can also include Instagram templates for and more. Next, we're going to use the keyword research tool to see exactly the type of keywords that we will need to add to our listings if we create these types of things. So for example, website, template, and see what people are searching for and how big the competition is. We're going to filter by keyword score and we'll see. So modern website template, okay. Canva website template, e-commerce website, Wix template. This could be good. Website design template, beautiful pre-made website template, luxurious website template. Let's search for that, because people love that. So this is a good niche to go for if you can design beautiful listings and if you can really be different and bring your expertise in. Business coach Instagram templates are making 386 euros per month. So it's really just about doing your research and figuring out exactly what people are searching for, showing up in search, showing up with listings every single day, and building a brand around your Etsy store. If you can do that, if you can brand your Etsy store, bring new product ideas in, and create them consistently, this is exactly how EverBee will help you boost your store and make more sales. But if you just do the research and don't take action, not a lot will happen. And EverBee can be used to research any type of products, print on demand, handmade products, whatever it is that you want to list on Etsy. EverBee is your friend because it literally tells you what keywords to use and the products that people are searching for and that you can rank in search for. So you can do this for digital products, physical products, as I said, and many other types. Whenever you find a product that is good enough to be created, make sure to not copy the creator and instead bring your own spin onto the things that you're doing. Build your own brand, build your own identity, bring in your own knowledge and expertise to making something unique that will stand out in Etsy search. And remember, the more products you post, the more recognizable your brand is, the more people will buy from it. So you're not just building a side hustle, you're building a full-on business. And that is why I suggest taking this seriously. Spend some time doing your research and then start posting listings every single day. Again, if you want to grab EverBee, make sure to use their Christmas in July offer in the link below, because this is a one-time offer for right now and it gives you a really good discount. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.